Hello good people, today for unboxing and review we have this very interesting and nice Wera screwdriver set. It is not regular set because in this set we can find different type of screwdrivers and the cost is I think very good. I paid it about 28 euros and bought from Amazon Germany. So you can wait for Prime Days or other events, even you can buy it cheaper. So I will put a link under the description if you want to look to this set. Let's look what inside. This shows the type of screwdrivers color labeled. This is magnet head to keeping screws. We will check how it works. In this kit we have screwdriver handle like Japanese vessel brand make this type of handle. We have stubby one in this kit, we have flat, we have hex, we have posi drive, we have posi drive with regular handle. So for the price I think it's quite a nice set of screwdriver. Let's unbox it and look what inside. Just a second, that's it. As you can see, the case for Wera is regular, it's very nice and beautiful one. Let's look what inside. Very beautiful set. This is stubby screwdriver. As we can see, the head of these screwdrivers is different. This is laser engraved for more grip. This is regular one. We will try to check the difference, how we will feel it to use in use. So the green part is rubber, the black part is a plastic. Just put on side. This is not magnet head. This red and the black one plastic. I think it will keep screws like this. This is not magnet. Sorry for my mistake. This is Torx one. Let's put next to it flat with laser engraved head. Posi drive, again Torx, and this nice one with vessel type of handle. All we'll check right now. And this beautiful sticker which comes with nearly all Wera screwdriver sets. I will put box to there and we will continue. Let's look again. Very interesting point. The screwdriver's handles is differ based on screwdriver size. So you can look at it. Bigger one, bigger handle. I like this approach of Wera. Similar approach has many other companies. For example, my lovely fellow Ergo grip screwdriver. You can look that this handle a little bit smaller than this one, and Craftsman which handles for my hand quite well. Again, based on size, the handle size is different. It's nice. So let's look. If you want, just for reference, I will put ruler here to see the sizes of screwdrivers. Okay, I will put the screwdrivers next to me and we will try to use. I have some laminated OSB. I put marks on it to screw it easily. Let's try. All screw it. This posi drive 2. This also you can hear label here color labeling. By color you can differentiate the screwdriver type. Look. And the size. This one is posi drive too. Here you can look as well. So let's have a try. It's quite grippy with this laser engraved. Yes, it's very tight inside the screw. Really tight. Let's try this stubby one without this laser engraving. And as well, I would like to mention that the compact size of this stubby. As well, I have similar one from Wera, but this is a kit with other bits, 6-1. The size very similar. The Wera a little bit bigger, but not so much. The grip of Wera I like more than this one. This part is not convenient for me. With Wera it's more ergonomic in the hand. So let's look. It has very little play inside the screw compared with this laser engraved one. This deadly in the screw. I will try my lovely fellow ergo grip. This also very tight, similar to this laser engraved version. Let's try this small one to screw. Yes, it's convenient, not so much play inside it, but laser engraved, much more grip for sure. I will come back with my opinion later when we'll use them regularly. Let's try this handle type. This ball head is interesting inside the hand. It's longer. I think the convenience of this type of handle will based on the people preference and the hand size. It's not so comfortable for me. This is more comfortable, but the best one for my hand is this fellow. But for this type of using it, maybe I will use and come back with my opinion how it's in regular use. Let's try to do this. This black one is similar like plastic and rubber, something middle. Okay, let's do it this way. And I think you put screw here just a little bit. And in tight places you can do it. It is usable. I do not know in regular use how it will serve and how it will be convenient, but for this simple situation it works. Later, when I will use it, I can come back with more comments on it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave in a comment and have a nice day. Thank you.